Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Char, back another day with another unboxing. Today's package is from VEIDEC, via my friends, my good old friends at Superior Media, Superior Imports. Superior Media is the one that runs Time Attack Now, racing series in Sweden, and VEIDEC is one of their sponsors. And they have a bunch of, check out the site, they have products for like everything. And what we have here is a little bit of everything actually. Maybe a little bit of background story while I pack it up. Way before COVID, Corona, etc. I've been a germaphobe. I think all my life actually. I even remember my teacher calling my parents to school to ask why I go and wash my hands like every 15 minutes. So I have a couple of funny stories about me being super clean. And I remember when I used to work at an office, my colleagues thought that I was super weird, that I washed my keyboard every day with alcohol, even though it was my own private keyboard. But after a while, they all did the same. And every day I wash my phone with alcohol, hand sanitizer, and I have this UV light thing that I put it in like 20 times a day. And now with COVID, people have started doing the same. And now with COVID, these kind of products, alcohol, antibacteria, antivirus products have boomed a lot. And VEIDEC has a full collection with them. So let me see what I got here. This was the one that I wanted the most because this I can spray on anything, on my keyboard, on my phone, on my remote control, everything. And I think this is 70 or 80% alcohol. Yeah, 70% ethanol. So yeah, it kills germs. So I got a couple of them. This one was kind of cool because it has a holder, so I can have this in my car, I guess. Yeah, I have a holder for that. And here we have Clean Auto, a product that you can clean everything with, it looks like. Especially all the new cars with the big screen. Man, I see those with fingerprints and they are so greasy. People, please be clean. Clean your cars, clean everything you touch, handles. With these sprays, I spray everything. The door handles, the handle to my refrigerator, everything I touch at home, I spray with this. Then we have Alka Gel. So this is more like hand sanitizer, I think. Yeah, this is for hands. This is Alka Spray Pro Disinfect. It's the same as the big one, just as a small package. So I can have one of these laying in my car, and these I can have in my everyday carry bag. And the product that I was most interested in was the wipes. Disinfectant Wipes. So it's the same like all the other products, but with 80% alcohol instead. And I haven't tried this one before. I've tried a bunch of similar products. As I said, everybody's making products like this now. Like this one kills 99.9% bacteria, but it leaves marks. And yeah, sure, if you wipe handles and stainless steel, whatever. But since I wipe everything and my phone and just about everything, I don't want it to leave marks. So I'm gonna see if this leaves marks or not. It should not, since it's 80% alcohol. Usually when they leave streaks, I think it's called streaks, and marks, is when you have a bunch of other chemicals in it. But pure alcohol should not leave streaks. And all the hand sanitizers that I usually buy, now they have aloe vera gel, ethanol, whatever. And yeah, it's all good because you don't want your hands to look like mine. They look like they're 200 years old. And it's better, of course, when the Alco-gel is moisturizing. I usually use the old, not gel, used alcohol. And that ruins your skin. So these kind of products that have sort of moisturizing in them, they are a lot better. But check VEIDEC out. As I said, they have a whole collection with germ killing products, and then of course they have everything for your workshop. And thanks to Superior Media, Superior Imports, my good old friends, for sending me these. As I said, VEIDEC are the official sponsors, or one of the Time Attack series in Sweden. So all you guys that are a part of that should get a package with something like this. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Check the description for a link to my blog where I should post everything that I have on the table. Thanks. Good night.